In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI on X, a complete beginner's guide. Now, to start our journey into the world of Grok AI, the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite web browser and go to Google. Just type google.com into the search bar, and you'll be ready for the next step. This simple beginning is crucial as it will set the stage for accessing X, where you will find Grok AI. Once you're on Google's homepage, proceed by typing the letter X into the search bar. You don't need to type anything else because X is the name of the platform we're diving into. This search will bring you to the right place where we can start engaging with Grok AI. After you've typed in X and hit the search button, you should see the search results page. Click on the official X website link. The website link usually appears at the top of your search results, making it quite convenient. This is where the magic happens, so let's make sure we're in the right domain before moving forward. Now that you're on the X platform, look around the home page for the Grok icon. It might look a little different based on updates or design changes, but it should be clearly labeled. Clicking this icon will bring up Grok AI's interface, where we'll interact with the system. At this point, you're just a few steps away from unleashing your creativity. With the Grok AI interface open, it's time to make your first prompt. Think about a witty idea or a unique question you want to explore. For instance, you could say, "Give me a funny tweet idea about AI in 2025. The key here is to express your idea clearly so Grok understands what you're looking for. This interaction is what makes Grok AI fascinating, as you can ask it nearly anything, and it will come up with something interesting. Finally, after crafting your prompt, simply click the Submit button. This sends your query into the Grok AI engine, where it will generate a response based on your request. In a few moments, you should receive a creative and tailored output from Grok AI, ready to inspire or use however you see fit. And just like that, you've successfully navigated your first interaction with Grok AI on X. Remember, as you continue to explore and experiment with different prompts and ideas, Grok AI will become more familiar and intuitive to use. Have fun with it and let your creativity and curiosity guide you. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides like this one.